My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the biggest mistake of the Tron holders. Friends, don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, friends. Be safe from loss and don't do this mistake. In this video I will show you, friends. Keep watch this video till the end, friends. And in this video I will also show you the price, the current price of the Tron. The price changes occur in the TRX the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occur in the TRX. In this video I will show you. Keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. And please subscribe Abby's Tech channel, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. So friends, first of all, the current price of the TRX is that the current price, as you can see here, the 0.120428 USD dollar is the current price of the TRX. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the TRX. So the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is also negative, and last 1 week price change is also negative, friends. But friends, if you look the percentage of the falling down, as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is in the 0.69, and last 1 day is 4.8, and the last 1 week price change is negative 18.93%. That's mean that the TRX gradually, slowly fast down, friends, but not fastly, friends. So friends, now at this time the holders of the TRX are doing very big mistake, friends. Please, I suggest for all of you that don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. The mistake is this of the holders, as you can see here, that is the last 1 week price change occur. As you can see here, the fast down for the later time, as you can see here, this time that is the falling time of the TRX holder, as you can see here. And this time the TRX holders goes to sell TRX coin, friends, which is absolutely a bad decision for all of you. I understand that now at this time the TRX fast down, but that's not mean the new sell, friends. That's the temporary fast of TRX. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time, but after a little time they again take a jump, friends. If you want to make a high amount of profit, so remember that you have to hold a coin or token for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount, a high amount of money from this cryptocurrencies token or coin, friends. So remember that don't sell it at this time if you want a high profit from the TRX. So don't sell it, it's time to hold, friends. Anyways, that is my suggestion, that don't sell it, please hold, friends. Friends, if you look, the price changes occur in the TRX, so negative 18.13% changes occur in the last 1 week, and the highest price is 0.151857 USD dollar is the highest price of the TRX. What's your prediction about TRX? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.